Hey guys, I just wanted to do a video to help you get familiar with the Digin login and the lesson builder. All of you should have received an email. I created a test account, that way I could look at it from your perspective versus from the administrator standpoint. Um, so this is what your email should look like. It should have your name right here, and then all you have to do is click accept invite. Then you're going to create your own password, and then it will take you to a login page. So I'm actually going to change this to my test account. Okay, hopefully this works. There we go. All right, this is what it should look like when you come into the Digin. You will go to your lesson builder right up here. Click that. And then I've assigned each lesson for a certain day. So what you'll do is you'll find the day that you're teaching. For example, I'm teaching the first week, so I have already created and published my lesson. Right here, you will be able to, so let me click on the next week, and I won't save anything, that way you can create your own. These are all the tools that you have to use, okay? So you can have a music video, you can talk about the video, you can do a puppet show, an object lesson. I find these very powerful for the kids. If you think that the core lesson, the core Bible lesson, that's already over there, is not deep enough, there's a deeper Bible lesson. There's a high energy game. What I've noticed, the difference between the high energy game and the low energy game is that the high energy game takes a lot more stuff and a lot more prep work. So low energy game is probably the way I will go. I also have a craft in there for the small group for the first week. I figured it would be easy to manage. They're just making a picture frame, so that'll be not too hard. And then the take home, I added that over here for my lesson just because the take home is something that each kid can leave with that kind of summarizes the lesson and goes over what they learned. It's a good thing to send home with parents. So, as I said, you pick and choose what you want. So if you wanted to do a music video, you're going to click it and you're going to drag it over here for the large group. The large group is what you're going to be responsible for, okay? The small group, you're still responsible, but we will have the kids broken up, and so each helper along with you will each have a small group. So there should be 4 small groups. That should break up the kids a little bit more than now. All that's in there right now is the wrap up, and if you click on the little picture deal thing, you can actually read what it is for your lesson. So all the these are the small groups, so grades 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. What we're going to do is we're going to do K and 1, 2 and 3, 4 through 6, and no, I have to remember how we broke it down, but you'll do each of these small groups, and that's what we will give the small group teacher. So they're going to go through, and this is what they will talk to the kids about. It is spelled out for them, so they shouldn't have to do much. Along with these, this is the music video, so these are the songs that you would sing. If you want to use any of those, just let me know ahead of time, and I will make sure that our music system is set up. Opening, so this just tells you how to introduce the week. Okay, you're usually going to start by reading a Bible verse or a Bible story, and then you build off of that. Okay, going back to building your lesson. So if you wanted to do a music video, I would probably also add the talking about the music video. Right there, that's 45 minutes. So we don't have that much time. So your small group may be super short that day, or you may not have it at all. Okay, so we may not even use this part. Your core Bible lesson, you're going to always have your intro and your exit. So right there, that's 50 minutes. I would not build a lesson that's over 60 minutes. I know I tend to talk really fast. And the kids don't ask a ton of questions. So although this says the core Bible, I think says 20 minutes, it usually does not take me that long. And I don't want to expect the small group leaders to ever do a core Bible lesson. I want them to do something extra, either a craft, send home the take home work, talk about the story or whatever. Also, you can move this, oh my goodness, sorry. You can move this wrap up back to you. So you're the one doing the wrap up. Okay. And we can go back and forth. Now, if you want to not do music, if you change your mind, you drag this out of there. And, oh, I got to click on it. Sorry. And then you drag that one out of there. You can drag the wrap up out of there. I mean, you can basically start from scratch. So let's say I want to do the opening, a deeper Bible lesson. No, you have to do the core. Sorry. And then a deeper Bible lesson. And then they will just do the wrap up. That's about 45 minutes. Okay, that doesn't include a game or anything. So anyway, each week you will be responsible for building your own lesson. I would like these built no later than Friday and published. That way I can send the small group like questions or whatever to the other teachers. I want them to be able to see them. So when you log in, you'll be able to see what's already published, which I've already published my lesson for the first week. So let's say I'm going to click on this and unpublish it. This is my lesson right here, okay? I'm going to click publish. Do not copy because each person is going to be able to create their own. And then you go to publish lessons. This is where you'll be able to download the PDF file along with preview the whole entire lesson, okay? So this gives you step-by-step instructions along with supplies, etc. that you're going to need, okay? All right. I think that's about it. If there's any questions, please feel free to reach out to me. I just figured doing a little video walking you through it would help you to get through it. Not that you can't figure it out by yourself, but it's taken me a lot of trial and error this morning to click around. So I hope this helped. And if it didn't, let me know and I will be more than happy to meet up with you and go through it with you by yourself, like just us. Okay? See you later.